Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces, water sign. This is February monthly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on, Pisces. Pisces, what's going on? What are the messages for Pisces? Chariot, 5 of Swords and 6 of Swords. Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, 7 of Pentacles. Two cards. Sorry guys, two cards fell down. That is Temperance and Hangman. Yeah, maybe you're patiently waiting something. I don't pick that cards because two cards. Maybe you're patiently waiting for something and you're thinking about someone or something constantly. Maybe, yeah, so let's see. Okay. 5 of Wands. There is a lot of drama is going between you and your person right now, Pisces. Yeah, there is a lot of drama. Maybe someone is fighting for your attention. Maybe you are fighting for someone attention. There is a lot of drama. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Cancer, Chariot and 5 of Swords and 6 of Swords. Past. So 5 of Swords. You may be, there are some disturbances between you and your person in recent past. You want to fix the things between both of you. For some, you want to move on from this person, from this connection, because 6 of Swords, because lot of disturbances, lot of things. Maybe it could be third party situation. Maybe it could be the reason for their friend, whatever. There may be family members. That's why you decided to move on. And the Chariot, yeah, you decided to move on in recent past. You started your life in some like you are concentrating on your career more. So right now what is going? Knight of Pentacles and Ace of Swords and 7 of Pentacles. Some communication is going to be happen between you and your person. Some truth coming out. There is some message, some communication is coming in your way. And Knight of Pentacles, yeah, they are coming back. Your person is coming back. And if you are waiting for your person, they want to come back. And that very slow moving energy. And I think you also waiting for your person, even though you decided to move on. Pisces, yeah, you also waiting because you also invested in this connection. It could be very small, but you are also waiting because you love this person, but due to circumstances you decided to move on, but still you are hoping, but they are coming back. So whatever the near future energies, the High Priestess, the Empress and 2 of Wands, I think you are listening to your inner voice, to your intuition. And the Empress, it could be your person or it could be you standard by your power and very grounded. Maybe it could be you or that person may be pregnant also. And 2 of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And this you are thinking about them a lot. Pisces, yeah, you are thinking about them a lot. Yeah, they're coming back. Some communication is going to be happen and you are thinking them about a lot. And there is a lot of drama is going between. So yeah, again, the Chariot, your person want to take this relationship to next level. There is some moment is coming if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this to next level. So let's see your person current feelings. Pisces, your person current feelings. 3 cards. Again 5 of Wands. Princess of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of drama. Still, there is love also. Yeah. Ace of Cups. They love you so much. They have so much love for you. Their love towards you is overflowing. And Princess of Wands, yeah, they want to send some message. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, there is lot of disturbances. Lot of drama is there between both of you. Still, there is love also. Maybe hate and love situation between both of you. Again, under the deck, Justice, yeah, they want new beginnings with you, second chances. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Pisces. You person near future actions. Wow. Wow, there is a lot of passion, guys. Again, the Chariot under the deck. Yeah, they're coming back. Knight of Pentacles, they are very sincere person. They really want to offer stability to this connection. And Four of Wands, you both could be twin flames. They want this happiness with you and this celebration with you, Pisces. And there is a lot of passion. They are very, very passionate about you. Yeah, Knight of Wands. They are coming back with a lot of passion. And I think for some it could be, I think it's your person actions. Yeah, they're coming back with lot of passion and but in slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles, but this time your person is very sincere. What I'm getting, very few. I am seeing some new person is also coming in your way, but very few, not all. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Seven of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and Death. Your person may be right now undergoing some transformation. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio also. Yeah, maybe they think it is over. Maybe for some you decided to move on. It is a mutual understanding, but they won't give up on you because Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. And Nine of Pentacles energy, maybe your person is very abundant. They are financially stable. Maybe they are working towards their career and goals, but they won't give up on you even though. For some, your person is very defensive also. Yeah. Eight of Wands, communication. Lots of communication is coming in your way. There is some changes are coming in this connection. Positive changes, positive shifts are coming. Hanged Man with the Fool. And you also thinking about them a lot. You also want new beginnings with your person. Yeah. Still you decided to move on. But these are the connection outcome cards. Definitely you want new beginnings with your person. The Fool. Yeah. Definitely I am seeing some reconciliations, but it will take time because your person coming very slow moving energy, but there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Pisces. Yeah, reconciliation. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and there is some communication. Yeah, they're coming back with a lot of love and they want to offer this love to you, but it is very slow moving energy and they're coming back with passion. Yeah, I seeing some new person is also entering in your life for some. Yeah, they're very passionate about you. Maybe they are not sincere, maybe they are in and out of your life, but your past person, yeah, they're coming back with solid offer. This time your person is very sincere because Knight of Wands are in and out of your life, but Knight of Pentacles with Knight of Cups, that is they are very sincere. So let's see your person overall energy for the month, Pisces. Yeah, Six of Cups, they want reconciliation. Four of Swords, yeah, you are in no contact situation with your person. They are not thinking about you. They are undergoing some meditation, but you are in no contact but thinking about you a lot, but they are undergoing some healing. Yeah, they are undergoing some transformation. They want to offer stability. They want stability in this connection and they are coming back. Yeah, they want reconciliation. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. Yeah, emotions are running high. Yeah. Super moon. So you are in a state, your emotions are running high. So do meditation if you are in out of control of your emotions. This is the message from universe. Emotions are running high. So if you want your person back, but there is slow moving energy, if your emotions are running high, then you make first move. Okay. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.